Yo, hope everyone's having a splendid day today. And this is basically the dopamine detox video. So yeah, make sure to join the free community link in the description. Make sure to sub. We're on the grind to 200 subs. So yeah. All right, so start from the bottom. Now we're here. Your focus will go to the top after this video. And you need focus. I'll explain in a minute. So focus is at the bottom, and now we're gonna make it to the top. All right, let's get into this. What you'll get from this dopamine detox, you'll get better focus and mental clarity. Also, you'll feel more fulfilled as a person. Most likely, well, for a fact, dopamine detox is for removing all the unhealthy dopamine, basically. And for example, scrolling on Instagram, that's unhealthy dopamine. If you do that for 5 hours, you aren't gonna feel fulfilled as a person. It's just self-explanatory. So you will feel more fulfilled as a person after this. And why do you need a dopamine detox for trading? You need focus for trading, first of all. If you look at every successful trader, person, entrepreneur, whatever, they all have the ability to focus well. So just replicate it. Also, trading involves a lot of dopamine, so if you chase dopamine in trading, you're cooked. Each time you press the buy button, a dopamine hits. So the last thing you want to do is chase out dopamine, which will be forcing trades, which will end up to losing more. So therefore, if you're chasing that unhealthy dopamine in trading, you're cooked. So yeah, how do I do a dopamine detox? This is pretty much my guide. My dopamine detox is a 5-day process, so here it is. So day 1, this is the most crucial day. No electronics, no music, no anything. It's just pure living in the moment. So go outside, these are some ideas. Go outside, if it's a splendid day. Reflect on previous trades. I don't know, it's just something I did. I went through my journaling for the past like 20 trades or 10 or whatever in my previous backtesting trades. I just reflect on what I did good on, what I did bad on, just build my edge and all that, with just a piece of paper, and do random stuff like hit the footy fields, play some soccer, I don't know, do whatever. Just go outside, enjoy life, touch some grass, see some sunlight. Boom. So that's day 1. Absolutely nothing. I did on a Sunday because Sunday's my more type of rest day. So yeah. Day 2, less than 30 minutes of screen time, no lyric music, no social media. Less than 30 minutes of screen time. Most of your screen time is unhealthy. So that input, you're gonna want to limit it as much as possible. So that's why we do no phone or low screen time and no lyric music. So I listen to random stuff that has no lyrics in it, mainly just chill stuff. Just helps me focus. And no social media. We all know the reason behind that. If you don't, social media is just unhealthy for you if you're doing a large amount. So yeah. Day 3, it's the same thing. No lyric music, no social media, less than 30 minutes. All right, day 4, this is where we start getting changed. By then, you're gonna have better focus. You're gonna feel way better as a person. And yeah, so still less than 30 minutes of screen time. Music allowed, but no whack music. What do I mean like this? What do I mean by this? I mean like the rap music, like talking about like sexually assaulting women, then shooting their family. So like that type of music. That's not the most ideal music to listen to. So listen to good music. Say goodbye to Drake for the week. You know, Drake's the G. Listen to some old Kanye. Old Kanye goes hard. It's happy music. Makes you feel happy. And yeah, just listen to good music, nothing whack. So yeah. And day 5, this is your last day. Less than 30 minutes of screen time, music allowed, but no whack, no social media. Same thing as the previous day. And if you do this, and by the way, this is what I do. I'm currently on day 3 right now. My screen time might be a little bit over 30 minutes. Or actually might be right at 30, because I've been filming this video. I filmed 2 other times. I messed up, so this is like my 3rd try, which is tragic. But yeah. So that's pretty much a dopamine detox. It's straightforward, straight to the point. Literally 4 minutes and 40 seconds of sauce. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to join the free community link in the description. We're on the road to 200 subs. So yeah. Hope everyone has a splendid day. Comment Drake if you made it this far. Because if you did, you have good focus. better than an average person. An average person has an attention span of like 20 seconds. So if you made it this far, you're a G. So comment Drake. I love you. And yeah, hope you guys have a splendid day. Make sure to sub, join free community, link in the description. And yeah, laters.